One more stoichiometric calculation. The good news is the process never changes for these. It's just the complexity of the chemical reaction and the complexity of the calculations. So in the chemical reaction above, we need to determine the mass of carbon, and carbon is just C. We could fully react with 66.4 grams of titanium dioxide, which is TiO2. We know what mass of titanium dioxide we have. So first step is to find how many moles of titanium dioxide this is. To do that, we need the molar mass. In titanium dioxide, we have one titanium atom, which weighs 47.867 grams per mole. We also have two oxygen atoms, each of which weighs 15.999, giving a total of 31.998. Add those together, and the molar mass of titanium dioxide is 79.865 grams per mole. Now that we know the molar mass, we can find how many moles, and to do that, we take mass, divide by molar mass, 66.4 grams is the mass we have. The molar mass is 79.865. Divide that out, we get 0.8314 moles, specifically of TiO2. Now we know the number of moles of TiO2. We can convert this into the number of moles of our unknown, which is carbon. So to do that, we take the moles of titanium dioxide that we just found, 0.8314, multiply that by the mole ratio, so we look back at the chemical equation. Carbon, what we're looking for, has a coefficient of 3. Titanium dioxide has a coefficient of 2, so that's what will go in the mole ratio. 3 moles of carbon and 2 moles of TiO2. Multiplying that out tells us that we will need 1.2471 moles of carbon. And again, now that we know the moles of carbon, we can find the mass of that. To do that, we need the molar mass. And luckily, carbon is just a single element, which has a mass of 12.011 grams per mole. We know the molar mass now. We know how many moles of carbon we have, so we can easily find its mass by taking our number of moles, multiplying that by the molar mass. So 1.2471 times 12.011. Calculating that out and looking at sig figs, the only number that matters is 66.4 grams of titanium dioxide, which has 3 sig figs, so should the final answer, which would give us 15.0 grams of carbon.